Unleash the power of AI with video. Easy steps to make awesome videos. Welcome to the future of video creation with AI. In 2024, AI is changing everything about making videos. It's making the whole process easier and cheaper. No more boring work. Now you can create videos in no time. With AI, making professional videos is fast and affordable. Using AI in video creation lets you be super creative. Why videos? YouTube is huge. It's the second biggest search engine. Videos are everywhere, and they're great for marketing. Adding videos to your marketing can really boost how many people engage with you and buy from you. And now, with AI video tools, making awesome videos is easier than ever. Whether you're showing off products or teaching something, videos are a great way to connect with people and show off your personality. YouTube is especially good for getting lots of people to see your stuff and visit your website. Try videos in your marketing and watch your numbers go up. Step 1. Making a great video script with AI tools. Writing scripts is easier with AI. With AI script generators, you can make cool scripts super fast. These tools help you come up with interesting ideas and words without getting stuck. Goodbye writer's block. Hello easy content creation with AI. Step 2. Using AI to make real-sounding voices for your videos. Have you heard about voice cloning? It's amazing. With AI, you can copy your voice. Text turns into speech that sounds natural. This makes your audio sound awesome and keeps people interested. Step 3. Adding professional voiceovers to your video. AI voiceover tools are a big deal. They make it easy to get professional voices for your videos in no time. Forget about long recording sessions. Now you can get great voiceovers fast and without hassle. Let AI do the work and make your content shine. Step 4. Making your videos pop with AI editing tools. With AI tools, you can add effects and make your videos look amazing. You can change colors, add animations, remove long silences in seconds, and do lots more without spending hours on it. Say goodbye to boring editing and expensive agencies. Ready to dive into the world of AI video making? Subscribe to my email list for access to the exact tools I recommend and my tips for creating stunning videos. Let's create something incredible together.